Hello everyone. Surprised by the title Catch Them Young? Don't worry, it's not about the students but about the tiny tumor cells which can slowly progress towards cancer. I'm Bhashwati Chakravarti and I'm going to grab your attention towards early diagnosis of cancer. Cancer is a severe global health issue that continues to demand action. Cancer-based tiny tumors can be 200 times smaller than that of human hair diameter. Just like how bright young students are selected through a screening method, similarly prospective cancerous tumors are to be screened at an early stage. Now, what is actually early stage? Existing detection methods identify tumors when they grow around 1.5 centimeter, whereas we are targeting to sense them when they are 5 orders of magnitude lower than this. This sort of early diagnosis is expected to increase the survival rate. These tiny tumors can no longer be seen through naked eye or under optical microscope. Their presence can be felt indirectly through some blood test. Body starts producing some early signals in blood called protein biomarkers if detected can lead to early detection. Conventional detection method ELISA requires a primary receptor molecule which acts as a key to lock cancer-specific protein biomarkers in complex blood sample. Further, ELISA also takes the help of a secondary receptor molecule to produce a color at the output signal. This technique is quite costly and requires so many biochemicals and washing steps. I have developed a sensor which is millimeter in overall dimension based on rod-shaped semiconductor material that actually has nanometer size spacing between the rods, where the samples can enter and interact with the material. The working principle is analogous to the flow of water through a precisely controlled tap. If the blood samples contain even the trace quantity of target biomarker, the sensor produces a signal which can be observed either on a smartphone or any other readout device. Now, what is trace amount? It is actually 1000 times smaller than what can be sensed today using existing diagnostic sensors. The semiconducting nature of the material generates switching-like signal even for trace amount. Further, the location of the peaks gives an estimate of the quantity of biomolecules. Furthermore, when there are no target biomarkers, the signal line is flat. Thus, the readout helps to identify easily the presence of target biomolecule. Thus, I expect that this cost-effective biosensing diagnostic kit will help to overcome the existing challenges in early detection of cancer. Thank you.